Take a moment to look at the mighty Himalayas, a masterpiece of nature. But what if I told you that these colossal mountains were once at the bottom of the ocean? Yes, millions of years ago, the roof of the world was submerged beneath ancient seas. Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of how the Himalayas rose from the depths of the ocean to become the world's tallest peaks. Rewind time by 200 million years, and the Earth looked like a giant puzzle. A supercontinent called Pangaea started breaking apart, forming Gondwana in the south and Laurasia in the north. Between these two massive landmasses was the vast Tethys Sea, an ancient ocean covering what would one day become the Himalayas. Imagine, right here, under the calm waves, the future of the world's tallest mountains was being written. It's hard to imagine now, but the very ground where we stand today in the Himalayas was once home to ancient sea creatures like corals and ammonites, which thrived beneath these ancient waters. Fast forward to around 70 million years ago, and the Indian Plate, a massive chunk of Gondwana, begins a journey that will change the face of the Earth. It started drifting north like a runaway train toward Asia. The speed? A mind-blowing 15 centimeters per year. This was the beginning of one of the most dramatic geological collisions in Earth's history. When the Indian Plate finally slammed into the Eurasian Plate, the Earth's crust buckled, folded, and was pushed upward to form mountains. Imagine the sheer power, two titanic landmasses colliding with such force that they lifted the ocean floor thousands of meters into the sky. This is how the Himalayas were born. The process is called orogeny, and it's still happening today. Isn't that mind-blowing? If you're enjoying this journey through time and space, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our growing community at TechUniverse. Your support helps us dive deeper into the wonders of the world, literally. Now here's where things get even more fascinating. Scientists have discovered something amazing high up in the Himalayas: marine fossils. That's right, fossils of corals and sea creatures, millions of years old, are found at the highest altitudes of these mountains. These fossils are proof that the land beneath your feet here was once at the bottom of an ancient ocean. These fossils are the remains of the seabed that was pushed skyward during the collision of the tectonic plates. Today, they serve as a reminder of the ocean that once covered the area. The next time you visit the Himalayas, remember, you're standing on what was once a thriving coral reef. But guess what? The story doesn't end here. The Himalayas are still growing. Yes, even today, the Indian Plate continues to push against the Eurasian Plate, causing the mountains to rise by about 5 millimeters every year. While that may sound small, over millions of years, it adds up. The very forces that created these mountains are still at work today, shaping the Earth's surface. So what does the future hold for the Himalayas? Could they become even taller? Could they one day erode away as the Earth's forces continue their work? The answer lies in the slow, relentless movement of tectonic plates, which over millions of years could reshape the planet as we know it. The Himalayas aren't just mountains. They're a living, growing record of Earth's geological history, a testament to the immense forces that have shaped our world. From ocean depths to towering peaks, this is the incredible journey of the Himalayas, a journey that's still unfolding. Thanks for joining us on this incredible adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to TechUniverse for more fascinating stories about our planet and beyond. We're just getting started, and your support helps us keep exploring. See you next time.